Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you are having an issue of your Wi-Fi, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to open your settings, and here just go for connection, and here just select more connection setting. Select private DNS. If you have selected any DNS, you must have to select off, then select save from here. After that, just go back, go for main settings. Now sometimes it might be true about this time, date and time problems. You must have to open your date and times. So just go for general management, go for date and time, and here you have to make sure that your date and time has been fixed properly. You can easily select that from here is the date and the time, and you can easily enable automatic date and time to set that automatically. After that, just go back, go for main settings. Now you just have to reset your Wi-Fi settings. So open your general management, go for reset, and then reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth settings, then tap on reset settings. It will make a reset of your all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and after that your issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't, you must have to scroll down in control center. Here just tap on this power icon, tap on restart, then tap on restart again to make a restart your phone. And after that, if there's any problem in your phone's software, so it might be fixed. But if you're still having the same issue, so it might be there's a problem of the Wi-Fi hotspot. But if the problem is doesn't fix, you can check your system hardware. It might be there any problem in your phone's hardware. So that's how you can easily fix your Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.